हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माई चैनल शेट्टी सॉल्यूशंस और मैं हूं आपकी अपनी अकेला मैम। स्टूडेंट्स, वी हैव ऑलरेडी फिनिश्ड 2 parts of problem set, that is your chapter number 2 real numbers. Today we have reached the last part of problem set, that is question number 7 and 8. If you have not watched those videos, I have given the link in the description box. Please go and watch those videos. Okay, so we'll start. In question number 7, there are total 4 questions. The first question is simplify. What you have to do, they have given the roots, okay, in the radical sign. We have to simplify. 4 upon 7 square root of 147 plus 3 upon 8 square root of 192 minus 1 upon 5 square root of 75. पहले हमें क्या करना है, ये जो रेडिकल साइन के अंदर है नंबर्स, उसको सिंप्लीफाई करना है. फॉर दिस वी विल टेक अ प्राइम फैक्टर. फर्स्ट 147 को सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे. ओके, we'll do 147. Which table it will go? 7 2s are 7 1s are. Now this one 3 7s are. Here 7 1s are. Okay, so we got pair. Okay, एक pair मिला, 3 का pair नहीं मिला. So I can write this one. See here 7. I'll write directly 7 and 3. We got 2 times 7 and 3. Fine. Plus 3 8. Take a prime factor of 192. 192, start with 2, 2 9s are 18, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 18, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 12s are, 2 6s are, 2 3s are, 3 1s are. 1 2, okay, how many pair हो गया? We got 3 pairs, that is 6 times and 3. So let me write this one here. 2 2 2 2 6 times I am writing. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 into 3. After that we have 1 upon 5. We have square root of 75. Okay, 75 5 का टेबल में जाएगा. 5 1s are, 5 5s are, 5 3s are, 3 1s are. So 5 2 times. Okay, and we are getting 3 1 time. Fine. Now you know the method is जो pairing है, that one we can take out. So what will happen here? 4 upon 7. Here 7 will be outside and square root of 3. Here 3 upon 8 and इधर pair कितना है? देखो 1 pair, so that I took out. Here 1 pair I took out. Here 1 pair I took out and remaining is 3. Now here only 5 का 1 pair है, 5 root 3. Now you know that here 7 will get cancelled, you will get 4 root 3. Here see 2 1s are, 2 4s are. Again 2 1s are, 2 2s are. 2 1s are, 2 1s are. So everything will get cancelled. You are remaining with 3 root 3 minus 5 will get cancelled. You are left with 1 root 3. Now this all became a like surds, my dear students. Like surd, you know which one is common here? Root 3 is common. So we can take root 3 outside. Okay, root 3 outside. Now what is remaining here? 4 plus 3 minus 1. 4 plus 3 7. 7 minus 1 6. 6 root 3 is your final answer. Only thing is you have to simplify by a prime factor method and you have to find the answer. Fine, we'll move to the next sum. Second sum is 5 root 3 plus 2 root 27 plus 1 upon root 3. We'll simplify. See here, root 3, 5 root 3. 3 is a prime factor. We cannot take a prime factor method by 3. Okay, इसको हम लोग नहीं कर सकते. So we leave that one like that only. 5 root 3 plus now 27. 27 if I go for a prime factor method, 3 9s are, 3 3s are, 3 1s are. So I got 3 times. 2 here, how many times? 3 times. Fine. Plus 1 upon root 3. What will happen here? 5 root 3 plus pair you take out, 2 3s are, root 3 plus 1 upon root 3. 5 root 3 plus 2 3s are, 6 root 3 plus 1 upon root 3. Now my dear students, do not get confused. Here see, these two are like terms. Okay, these are like surds, but not this one because it is in the denominator. तो इसको हम लोग क्या करना पड़ेगा? निकालना पड़ेगा. So निकालने के लिए we should rationalize the denominator. You know rationalizing the denominator. Very simple. Numerator and denominator multiplied by the same number. Now what will happen? 5 root 3 plus 6 root 3. This one is, see, root 3 into root 3 will get 3 and here root 3. Okay, so 1 upon 3 लिखो, इधर root 3 लिखो, so that it will be easy for us to take out root 3. Now root 3 is common over here, so root 3 take out. What is remaining? 5 plus 6 plus 1 upon 3. Okay, now 5 plus 6 how much? 11. 11 plus 1 upon 3 into root 3. You know cross multiplication. Okay, equalizing the denominator 3, that is 3 into 11, 33 plus 1, okay, to root 3. So your answer will be 33 plus 1, 34 by 3 to root 3. This is your final answer. हमारा जो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है थर्ड वन, रूट 216 minus 5 root 6 plus 294 minus 3 root 6 will start. First 216 prime factor method. 2 1s are 2, 1 will not go, 2 8s are 16, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are, 2 27s are, 3 9s are, 3 3s are, 3 1s are. 2 3 times and 3 3 times. Okay, so how will you write here? 2 2 2 3 3 3. Next minus 5 root 6. Root 6 prime factor method. 2 3s are, 3 1s are, that is 2 into 3. So 2 into 3 plus 294. 294 if you will take out a prime factor method, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 14. It will go in 7's table. 7 2s are, 7 1s are, 7 3s are, 3 1s are. So 294 can be written as square root of 2 into 3 into 7 into 7 minus, this is nothing, we can keep like this only, okay, square root of 6. Now see here which can be pair, 1 pair here, 3 1 pair. So what will happen? 2 into 3 we can take out. What is remaining? 2 into 3, that is 6, minus here 5 2 3, we cannot take anything out, there is nothing a pair, no pair here, so we can keep like this only, plus here 7 is a pair, so I can take out, and 2 3s are 6 minus 3 root 6. Now looking at this, you know the step. Okay, if you want I can write one more step, that is 2 3s are 6 root 6 minus 5 root 6 plus 7 root 6 minus 3 root 6. You know now rationalizing the denominator, because root 6 we have to take out, so multiply root 6 because everything is common हो रहा है, रेडिकल साइन के अंदर ये सब लाइक साइड हो गया, दैट्स वाई. फाइन, 6 root 6 minus 5 root 6 plus 7 root 6, this one will become minus 3 root 6, under root 6 into root 6 we are getting 6, correct. Now if you want we can cancel this one actually, 3 1s are, 3 2s are, but I will not cancel, we will go to the next step, that is root 6 we will take out, it is common. So what is remaining? 6 minus 5 plus 7 minus, here also root 6 I have taken out, so 3 is remaining, okay, and divided by 6, fine. Now the thing is, see here 6 minus 5 we are getting only 1, 1 plus 7 that is 8, 8 minus 3 by 6 into root 6. Now you know equalizing the denominator, that is 6 is common, 6 8s are 48 minus 3 into root 6. So what will happen here? 48 minus 3, that is 45 by 6 root 6. Okay, now the thing is, still it can be simplified because 45 and 6 is going in the same table, that is I can write here 3 15s are, 3 2s are. So our answer is 15 by 2 root 6. If you want, please take a snapshot, we will move to the next sum. Our fourth sum, 4 square root of 12 minus square root of 75 minus 7 square root of 14. स्टूडेंट्स अब तक तो आपको समझ में आया ही होगा कौन सा मेथड से फॉलो करना है या सॉल्व करना है. विल डू क्विकली. 12 प्राइम फैक्टर, 2 6 2 3 3 1. Okay, we got 4 square root of 2 into 2 into 3 minus 75. 75 prime factor, 5 15 5 3 3 1. So we have got 5 into 5 into 3 minus 7 square root of 48. 48 2 2s are, 2 4s are, 2 12, 2 6, 2 3, 3 1. 2 4 times, okay, and 3 because 1 2 3 4 and 3. Fine. Now we will take a pair out here. Okay, everywhere we should take pair out. So it will become 4. Take pair out 2. So root 3 minus 5 out, root 3 minus 7 into 2 because 2 times. Okay, 3. Now 4 2s are 8 root 3 minus 5 root 3 minus 7 2s are 14, 14 2s are 28 root 3. Now you know next step, that is root 3 is common here. Okay, root 3 we take out, 8 minus 5 minus 28. Okay, 8, see it is up to you, you can go the same sign together and you can add, otherwise directly you can do. 8 minus 5 you know it is 3, 3 minus 28 you are getting answer minus 25 root 3. This is your final answer. Last sum of question number 7, that is 2 root 48 minus root 75 minus 1 upon root 3. We'll do quickly. First we will take 48 factor, prime factor. 2 2s are 2 4s are 2 12s are 2 6 2 3 3 1s are. So we have got 2 4 times, okay, and 3. After that 75. 75 when I am taking a prime factor. 75 when we are taking a prime factor, 5 15s are 5 3s are 3 1s are. So we are getting 5 into 5 into 3. Okay, then 1 upon root 3 will keep like this only. Now you know that pair will be only one time will be out, here pair of 1. So what will happen, 2 into 2 into 2, what is remaining inside the square root, 3. Here 5 will be out, only one pair, 3 1 root 3. Okay, after simplifying this, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 root 3 minus 5 root 3 minus 1 upon root 3. See, root 3 is common over here, but here it is in the denominator. We cannot take this one is common. So we are doing rationalizing. Okay, root 3 into root 3. What will be remaining? 8 root 3 minus 5 root 3 minus this one will be root 3. Root 3 into root 3, it is 3. Okay. Now what is common? Root 3 is common. So if I will take root 3 out, 8 minus 5, here nothing is there, so 1 upon 3. Here 8 minus 5, you know that 3, 3 minus 1 upon 3 into root 3. So equalizing the denominator, 3 into 3, that is 9 minus 1 by 3 into root 3. So our final answer is 9 minus 1, that is 8 upon 3 root 3. If you want, please take a snapshot. We'll move to the question number 8. Students, हमारा question number 8. See, this is the last question of the problem set. Rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator आपने already solve किया है हमारे exercise में, तो ये question तो आप लोग के लिए बहुत easy होने वाला है. We'll solve quickly. Okay? पहला वाला 1 upon root 5. Rationalizing the denominator, you know, you should multiply. Okay, first question. Okay, 1 upon root 5 है. We should multiply both numerator and denominator by root 5. So I'll write multiply both numerator and denominator by root 5. So what will happen? 1 upon root 5 into root 5 into root 5, we are getting root 5. Root 5 into root 5, you know that it is 5. So this is your final answer. Simple. We'll move to the next one. Now the second one, 2 by 3 root 7. Okay. We should multiply numerator and denominator by root 7. Keep this one in mind. Why we are not multiplying by 3 root 7? Because we are rationalizing the denominator. तो rationalize करने के लिए it should be an irrational number. जो already rational है उसको क्यों rationalizing करना है? Okay, so no use. That's the reason we are doing only for root 7. Here we will get 2 root 7 and 3 root 7 into root 7 we are getting 7. That is 2 root 7. 3 7s are 21. This is our answer. Fine. We'll move to the next sum. The third sum, see here in the third sum 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon root 2. Here we have got the two terms. Still actually question number 1 and question number 2 was only single term. This one we know we should find out a conjugate pair. So one step extra, what we should write? Conjugate pair of root 3 minus root 2 is उसको opposite क्या है? root 3 plus root 2. So हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? We should multiply both numerator and denominator by that. That is root 3 plus root 2 and here also root 3 plus root 2. See, we are multiplying both numerator and denominator by this one, that conjugate pair opposite. So it will become root 3 plus root 2. Here a minus b, a plus b. Students, you know the formula. What is a minus b, a plus b? A square minus b square is nothing but our a plus b and a minus b. So we are using this formula. Please write this one. This one will be a square minus b square. What is a square? Root 3 square. What is b? square root 2 square. So root 3 plus root 2 we are getting root 3 square is 3 minus root 2 square is 2. So your final answer root 3 plus root 2, 3 minus 2 is 1, which is nothing but root 3 plus root 2. Okay, this is your final answer. We will move to the next one. हमारा जो fourth sum है 1/3 root 5 plus 2 root 2. You know how to take a conjugate pair. First, what you will write? The conjugate pair of 3 root 5 plus 2 root 2 is 3 root 5 minus 2 root 2. So we should multiply. This is our question. 3 root 5 plus 2 root 2. Multiply 3 root 5 minus 2 root 2 and here 3 root 5 minus 2 root 2. We know 1 into 3 root 5 it will be same. Okay, and the next one it will convert into a square minus b square. What is our a? Because a plus b a minus b है, so a square minus b square. A है 3 root 5 square and b है 2 root 2 square. It will become 3 root 5 minus 2 root 2. Now concentrate here 3 ka square. Okay, 3 is not inside the square root, so it will be 9 into root 5 square is 5 minus 2 ka square 4 and root 2 square is 2. So we are getting 3 root 5 minus 2 root 2. 9 5s are 45 minus 4 2s are 8. So our final answer will be 3 root 5 minus 2 root 2. 45 minus 8, it will be 37. So this one will be our final answer. We'll move to the next sum. हमारा जो लास्ट सम है क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 का एंड इवन इस प्रॉब्लम सेट का लास्ट सम है फिफ्थ वन 12 4 रूट 3 माइनस रूट 2. ओके, पहले क्या लिखना है? द कॉन्जुगेट पेयर ऑफ 4 रूट 3 minus root 2 is 4 root 3 plus root 2. What is our next step? We should multiply both numerator and denominator by this. So when you are multiplying, you are getting 4 root 3 plus root 2. Here 4 root 3 plus root 2. Fine. Now this one will be, see here, 12 into 4 root 3 plus root 2. Here it will be a square minus b square. Okay, if you want, please write a formula in the bracket. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. Okay, now what will happen here? A square minus b square. What is a square? 4 root 3. And what is b square? Root 2 square. Now here I am not multiplying. The reason is, see what will happen students, if I will multiply 12 4s are 48 root 3 आएगा, 12 into here 12 root 2. So if I multiply again in the last final answer, I have to take the common out. It is one and the same. So that is the reason I am not taking this one or I am not multiplying. Like this sum you have solved in the exercise. क्योंकि टेक्स्ट बुक में आप लोग को आंसर ऐसे ही दिया है, so we cannot take this one out. We'll keep like this only. Fine. क्योंकि if you are multiplying again you have to take a common out. 4 का square 16, root 3 square 3, root 2 का square 2. So this one become 12. 4 root 3 plus root 2, 16 3s are 48 minus 2. Now here 12, 4 root 3 plus root 2, 48 minus 2, this one will be 46. Here, say still if we can simplify, we can simplify as it is going in the same table, we can simplify. कौन सा table में ये जा सकता है? So it will go in the 2's table, 2 6s are, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are. So your final answer is 6 4 root 3 plus root 2 by 23. Fine. If you want, please take a snapshot. Students, we have done with our question number 7 and 8. That means we have finished our problem set. Hope whatever I taught you are able to understand. If so, please like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you. Thank you for watching.